gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am, but I made it.
Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I am Sudi, and as you guys can see what's going down today, we're doing taco because it is Tuesday, so Taco Tuesday. Anyways, my meat that I'll be using today is some shrimp, and as you guys can see, it's already seasoned. So I use some salt, some pepper, and my taco season. And also for the ground beef, it's already prepped and everything. And I'll be using to season it is some salt and pepper. I'll be having some garlic powder to it and the taco seasoning. And over here we have the taco box. I got this from Walmart. You guys can get it from wherever you guys shop, like Walmart, Publix, or wherever. So I got this at Walmart, and it comes with 6 soft tacos, 6 crunch tacos, and a mild sauce and taco seasoning. Also be using some Daisy sour cream, some chipotle sauce, and this right here is a spicy sauce. I believe it's supposed to be on a sushi, but I just get it because it says spicy and want to try it on my shrimp. And also I'll be using some cheddar cheese also, guys. This right here is my lettuce and tomatoes. I know it's in a paper plate and it's ratchet, but who cares? So let's get into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook my ground beef. I'm gonna add my season to the pot, taco seasoning. Garlic powder. Okay, I'm gonna start cooking my shrimp right now. So I'm gonna add some butter to the pot to cook my shrimp in. So for shrimp, you only need to cook it for at least 8 minutes. So I'm gonna cover my shrimp and let it steam. So my ground beef and my shrimp are both finished. Shrimp, ground beef. I'm taking off the salt. I'll overcook them. And let's check on our tortillas. Okay, they're about done. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. And there you guys have it, my taco. I have one shrimp and I also have one beef, some lettuce and tomatoes, some sour cream, chipotle sauce. And yeah, that's it. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment below and subscribe for future videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.